This week we're heading to the California Central Coast.
To San Luis Obispo to see my childhood girlfriend Lisa, who is working down
Where
there.
we at, Terry?
We're in San Juan Bautista.
San Juan Bautista.
Our favorite.
At Mom and Pop's. This is the best biker bar on the planet right here. Mom and Pop's, San Juan Bautista. If you come to the Hollister Rally, check it out. Open. We always get here early and they're never open. Knocking on the door, trying to get them to open up. But cool bar, cool place, good music here. Really cool little town. Gotta check it out if you come to the Hollister Rally.
Let's go.
A minute. Look at her pretty little smiling face. So a little bit of San Juan Bautista anyway.
Hey, check it out. There's some California black gold.
Or Texas tea.
Oil, that is. Hey guys, we're rolling into San Miguel here. We thought we'd pull off and grab a little bit of lunch.
Look, there's a mission.
Hey, let's check this out instead.
Mission San Miguel Archangel. Right on.
What a cool place. I'm really glad we stopped.
Yeah. Look, hey, there's a mission bell.
Yeah, the El Camino Real bells.
Right.
They line all of Highway 101, and people used to walk that trail. They connected all the missions along the way.
They walked it? That's crazy.
Yeah, back in the day, they made those guys tough, man.
Yeah, they did. Man, look at that. So
Pretty cool place.
What is that on your screen?
I think I must have taken a bug out.
Hey, there's our exit.
Nah, we're good. We're coming up on Madonna Road here in just a minute. We'll pull over and I'll clean this bug off my lens.
All right, cool. San Luis Obispo, here we are. Edit. So you gotta clean it in the parking lot.
Oh, yeah.
Are you embarrassed?
No, I'm not at all embarrassed.
Because you ride?
No, it just makes it easier to clean if I do it now when they're still moist.
Oh, when the bugs are moist?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the guts come right off if you do it while they're...
That's disgusting. And you say that they stink? What do bugs smell like?
Like this.
Yeah, we need to go to Madonna Inn to meet Lisa.
Let's go.
Hurry.
Hey, check this place out in San Luis Obispo, Bubblegum Alley.
Oh my God, look at that gum.
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah.
Hey, downtown was cool though.
Yeah, Marisol, the buffet, and the mimosas. Oh.
Oh man, the food was so good, and Pismo Beach was so cool. Ventana Grill.
Oh my gosh, what a place. Look at the view on the back deck.
Oh, this view was spectacular out here.
So blue.
I could have stayed here forever.
Yeah.
It was really nice just hanging out, catching some rays, drinking a cocktail.
Watching the waves.
Watching some dolphins swim by. Hey, but you know what? We got more adventure to do. It's time to hit the road.
And we're saying goodbye to Lisa. Bye, Lisa.
Hi.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
Well, that was hard. The next stop is Morro Bay.
Yeah, this is going to be cool. We're going to check out the volcanic plug, otherwise known as Morro Rock.
Holy shit, that's a big rock.
Actually, it's 581 feet out of the ocean. Let's park it.
Pretty impressive. Check out the breakers coming over the jetty.
Time for us to hit Highway 1.
We got more adventure to do, so stay tuned for Hill on 2 Wheels Part 2 of the California Central Coast.